Welcome to saitechinfo channel, my dear UPSC and TNPSC aspirants. In this tutorial session, I will be explaining about the problem based on logarithm, which is very frequently asked in the CSAT, that is the preliminary numerical aptitude test. For instance, here the problem given is p power x is equal to 1 by q, q power minus y is equal to 1 by r power minus z is equal to 1 by p. The condition is PQR, that is the product of PQR is not equal to 0, and we are supposed to find out the product of x, y, z, that is what is x, y, z, x into y into z. Now, let us consider p power x is equal to 1 by q. So you can bring this q here, is it not? So q into p power x is equal to 1. And similarly, you have r into q power minus y. R into q power minus y is equal to 1. And similarly, p into r power minus z is equal to 1. Right? Okay. Now, you can add these equations, and because here otherwise we can do one thing, introduce logarithm on both sides. Okay, so introduce logarithm for this equation, log of q p power x is equal to log 1. What about this? Log of, and you have to put the bracket, so r cube power minus y is equal to log 1, and third, log of p r power minus z is equal to log 1. Okay, log 1. In fact, we know already log 1 is equal to 0, so RHS becomes 0 in all these cases, right? Okay, now we can add these equations. For instance, log, and this is the product rule, we can apply product rule. So log q plus log p power x is equal to 0, right? And now immediately we can apply the the power rule. Therefore, log q plus x into log p is equal to 0. So our idea is to isolate this x. So retain x log p, and this is, you can bring this to the other side, so minus log q. Okay, and what is x? You can bring this log p to the denominator. Therefore, x is equal to minus log q divided by log p. Got this? And similarly, you can work out y. Right? Now we have y. You can take this equation, that is second. So I have taken this equation. This is equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Right? And I have taken this equation 1, rearranged all these things. Now let me take up the equation number 2. What is that? Log. So this is equation number 2. Based on that, I am rewriting log of, now you can apply the product rule here, log r plus log of r cube power minus y is equal to 0. Now you can apply the power rule here, therefore log r minus y into log of, what is that, q is equal to 0. So we can bring this y to the other side, therefore log of r is equal to y log q. Therefore y, we want to isolate y, log r, it goes to the denominator, log q. Okay, so this is the fourth equation, and this is the fifth equation. Right, carefully follow. And then let us consider the third equation again. And third equation, you can apply the product rule. So log, what is third equation? Log of a p or power minus z is equal to 0. So log p, and then you have got minus here. So let us put plus log of product rule or p power minus z is equal to 0. So log p, and you can apply the what? Product rule here, as I already mentioned. So this is p only. Okay. So minus z log p is equal to 0. So we can bring this z log p to the other side. Therefore log p is equal to plus z log p. Okay. So this is log, I think this is r. It should be r power minus, is that not? R power. So it should be r, and this is r. Okay. So do it carefully. Then let me erase this part. So now we have the values of x, y, z. Our objective is to find out x, y, z. Okay. So we have got the value of x here, y here, and we will get the z from here. So z is equal to what is that? That is log p divided by log r. Got it? Log r. So this is the sixth equation, right? So we have x, we have y, we have z. What is asked? X, y, z. So x, y, z. You can substitute the value of x. What is x here? Minus log q. Okay, this is minus log q divided by log p, and then into y. What is y here? Log r divided by log q. Log r divided by log q into, and this one, that is z log r. That is, you can substitute this log p divided by log r. Okay. Now you can cancel log p, log p, log q, log r, log r. So x, y, z is equal to minus 1. Okay.